fastest way to leave your 9 to 5 job this year is to grow your email list. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to leave my 9 to 5 job this year using the tactics and strategies my mentor has taught me over the last few months. I've already made over $1,000 and made my first affiliate commissions within my first 5 days with his guidance and mentorship. This is part 3 of my Leave Your 9 to 5 Job series. If you haven't seen the first 2, at the end of this video, you can tap in to get access, so stay tuned. Before we get into it, I want to introduce you to my mentor, Ronnie Cotton, and this is his beautiful family right here. And in the beginning of the pandemic, he lost his job, and before he could find another job to take care of his family, he got evicted from his apartment and had to sleep in raggedy hotels and sleep inside of his car with his 5 kids and wife. But he didn't just lay down. What he did, he turned to the internet and started making money online, and eventually he mastered affiliate marketing. And these are some of his success stories. This is Stasha. She bought a brand new car and she started making 5 figures a month. And this is Jason. He wanted to flex and show his brand new car too as well. It's one of those e-cars. And this is Queen right here. She made so much money, she wanted to get her daughter into the program too as well. Before we get into the strategy on how I'm going to leave my 9 to 5 job with affiliate marketing and also email marketing, I have to look at some numbers. How much do I make per month? And for me, I make about $2,200 after taxes. And then the next question I got to ask myself, how much do I need to make to leave my 9 to 5 job? And for me, it's anywhere between the money I make now to $5,000. And you can typically make about 50 cents to $1 per contact per month with your email list. And that's what I love about email lists is you can predict how much money you're actually going to make with your email marketing strategy. And I'm going to show you guys that in the next segment of this video. Now, how many emails do I need to quit my 9 to 5 job to reach this number right here? It has to be between 5,000 to 10,000 emails. And the great thing about it is I only got about 300 emails so far, and I'm already making money. Now, your next question is how I'm going to get to this number. The secret is an awesome lead magnet. This is an example of a killer lead magnet. This is a free course that my mentor created for anyone that want to create and launch a profitable online business that generates passive income. Now, it's absolutely free. Now, what you want to do when you're picking out an affiliate program, you want the right people so they can opt in and get the free course or free product, ebook, or whatever it is. And this product is for anyone that want to break free of their financial limitations. It's for people that want to experience a lifestyle that offers flexibility. It's also for people that want to leave a lasting impact on their families and people that want to escape the 9 to 5 grind. Now, I'm going to leave the link down in the description if you guys want to grab it. And this right here, this is just an example of a bridge page. And in this bridge page, I'm just bridging the gap between potential customers or clients to my mentor's actual products or services. And I'm just creating a video explaining what the product is all about and how it helped me on my journey to my financial freedom goals, right? It just say, for example, if you had a new pair of Jordans on, a new pair of J's, right? And when your friends say, hey, those are nice, is they comfortable? And you give them the positives about it. Yeah, they're very comfortable, and I get a lot of compliments on it. But in this instance, you get a commission anytime you get a sale from anyone's affiliate product. Okay, I showed you an example with an opt-in page is that gets the people email, and also showed you an example of the bridge page. Now, the next step would be the webinar or a challenge. Now, it's very important that any affiliate program that you sign up for, that they have a webinar or a challenge that leads people to a high commission product. But let me show you how the emails work. Now, the emails, once you get the emails from the free course or the ebook, whatever you give them, you get the emails and you send it over to a database, an email database, which would be an autoresponder like Aweber. And then the first email that you send out would be giving them access to the lead magnet and a welcome video telling them more about the course or the ebook, right? And then the next email that you're going to send out is like your affiliate link. For me, it's the 72-hour challenge with my mentor. He has different products and I'm affiliate of all of them. Then the next email you will send out is like a success story, how you made money with this product or how it helped other people that's in the community make money, like I showed you guys in the beginning of this video. And then the next email will be a link to your passive income profits, right? And that's another product that my mentor has. So I didn't have to create none of these products at all. He created all of them. I'm just an affiliate of them, and I make a profit every time somebody buys through my affiliate link. Now, the next email will be a value email where you're just sending out emails about maybe success stories again, or giving them information on some do's and don'ts. Now, you don't have to put any links in these emails. See, right here, you just want to like nurture your audience or potential customers to give them value. You just don't want to send out all your emails with affiliate links, just asking them to buy, buy, buy. You don't want to do that, right? Now, the next email you want to send out, maybe send them a link to your social media profile or page, which in this case, it would be to my YouTube channel. Then the next email, you'll send out some supporting offers like tools and softwares that'll help them in their journey to becoming financially free, right? The next email will be maybe a value email with no link again. Just give them, some information about some of the things that you learned on your way to becoming successful, right? Then the next email will be something like giving them a link to my Facebook group that I have, right? Where I can connect with them more on a personal basis and hook up with them on Messenger or give them some type of advice inside the group, right? The next email will be another value email. You're not sending any links in these value emails. You're just giving them value, something that they can use on their financial journey, some information that would be valuable to them. And then the last email, or one of the last emails, would be your core product. Now, for me, it would be my affiliate link to affiliate income network system, which is the high ticket course, right? And this is where I get my high ticket commissions. Now, the main goal is get a person to go down the value ladder and purchase the high ticket product so you can get the high commission sales. But in the process, through your opt-in page and through your emails, you actually get paid through small increments. Like the first, I think his first ebook is like $9, $10, so I get like $5 on this one. And the passive income profits, I probably make like 40, $50, right? And then also right here, I get big money right here where I make $1,000. But with the softwares and tools, you can sign up for like tons of different affiliate products and services, softwares and stuff like that, and you can get commissions as you go. So even if the person don't make it to getting to the high ticket affiliate program, you still making money on the way. And this is how you do email marketing. Now, if you have a problem with writing ebooks for your opt-in page for your lead magnet, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description where you can get AI to produce and make and write your own ebook without you even typing a word. If you want to leave your 9 to 5 job this year, put it in the comments. I want to leave my 9 to 5 job. And just in case you missed it, check out my part 1 and part 2 of this series to leave your 9 to 5 job. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Rock, Future Millionaire, checking out. Peace.